Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blend. I am Gio George. So today I am going to share with you guys one of the best water hose reel for your home. So stay tuned. You have like an ugly looking water hose reel on the side of your house, and every time when you look at it, then you'll be like, oh my god, this looks so ugly, and you want to buy something like in a nice looking one. This is the one you need, because the one I had also was like a really ugly looking one, and it's so hard to put it back on properly, because every time when you use it, you need to reel it yourself with your hand and put it in there, then all the dirt will come in your hand and stuff. So it was so messy. So I wanted to buy something like in a nice and clean looking one. I found one hose reel that you could attach to the wall. So when I see that, I was like, really nice one. So I bought two of them, one for the front of the house and one for the back of the house. But the problem was I installed one after 1 month. That got broke. It could be because of the Florida heat. The plastic version of it is not good at all, so I just waste money on that one. So when I was trying to buy something like in a very good quality one, then I found out there is a metal version also. When I was trying to buy it, that time it cost like around like $110, but I found the same exact stuff on Facebook Marketplace for $50. It's like a brand new, was in the box. So I went and got that one. I installed it. So I've been using that one like in a year and a half now. I never had any issue, and it's worked really good. If you guys are planning to buy something like this, I think I will suggest you to buy the metal version of it. This is actually like an aluminum. You don't have to worry about getting rust or break regardless of the weather condition, and it's long lasting. The way they look on the the side of the houses look really nice, and it's so easy to reel it and put it back on properly. Also, there is an easy way to move around this stuff. Like if you want to take the water hose reel to somewhere, you could just lift the whole thing, releasing like a 2 clip on the bottom, and you could just lift it up. It will come right off. I'll leave the link in the description if you guys want to buy the same one. Also, the water hose, I got it from Sam's Club. It's 110 foot. It's cost only under $33. It's heavy duty and the quality is really nice. So if you guys want to buy it, I will leave the link in the description. Every time when I try to do something, my kids is always there to help me. At the same time, they wanted to do it, so I let them do it. That way they can learn from me. Hold it tight like this. Okay, that's it. This one. Okay, now we do it. Okay, I'll let you know.
Believe in me. Yo, this thing is tight. Yo, that thing is so tight. Can I do it?
The first, I remove the old bracket.
They didn't see me take it out. This one first? Do I need to take it out?
Yeah, take it out. Then I fill the hole with the concrete filler.
Give me that. Let me do it.
Let me mark. Make sure you level the bracket and mark the hole. Then use the concrete bit to make the hole.
Let me mark it. Can I do it? Can I mark it? I want to do a mark it. Can I do a mark it?
Use the installation kit. It came with the water hose reel. So the bottom bracket came plastic, so make sure when you are tightening it, don't over tight it. If you over tight it, you will break the bracket. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Also share this video with your friends and family. Until I see you next time, stay blessed.